Let's solve one previous question of set theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2018, question number 27. Let n be the set of natural numbers. Consider the following sets, and P, Q, R, S are different sets. Which of the above set are countable? And 4 options are given. Let's analyze one by one set. First, P, set of rational numbers, positive and negative. It is countable. Set of rational numbers are countable. Rational number means it's like P divide Q, and P, Q are integers. Next, Q, set of functions from 0, 1 to n. So how many such functions are possible? It's n power 2. So set of functions equals to set of elements in set B power set of elements in set A. Here 0, 1 to n, so it's n square. As it's n square, hence it is countable. Polynomial is countable. When it's exponential, it's uncountable. Next are set of function from n to 0, 1. So how many such functions are possible? It's 2 power n. 2 power n, it's exponential. Hence it is uncountable. Always remember, power set is uncountable. If a set S is countable, then power set of S is uncountable. If n is countable, then function from n to 0, 1 is uncountable. Next, S, set of finite subset of n. It's finite, hence it is countable. So S is countable. We found P is countable, Q is countable, S is countable, while R is uncountable. Now check the option. It's present in option D. P, Q, S are countable. So answer will be option D. I already discussed set theory. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.